And we have some breaking news coming in at top of this hour. Back-to-back meetings are underway in Mumbai following controversial cop Sachin Waze's arrest in connection with the Antalya security threat. For more on this, let's go across to my colleague Yesha joining us live. Yesha, over to you. Help us understand these back-to-back meetings that are currently underway. Meanwhile, Maharashtra's Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has also called on key ministers to discuss the arrest and top IPS officer Rajneesh Seth also met Maharashtra's Home Minister Anil Deshmukh.
Know is that over the last 2 days, that is ever since Sachin Waze was suspended from his service yesterday from the Mumbai special branch, there have been back-to-back meetings that are happening in not only Varsha Bungalow, that is CM's official bungalow, but what we've seen is there has been political developments happening at NCP's YB Chauhan Center as well. This morning there was an important meeting that took place, which included names such as Anil Parab being a part of this entire meeting. But apart from that, there were other senior ministers which were also there in the meeting, which included Ajit Pawar, Balasaheb Thorat and Eknath Shinde as well, apart from Jayant Patil. Right now, what we also know is there is another meeting which is happening, and it also includes Chief Secretary Sitaram Kunte and Nana Patole, who are a part of this meeting right now. But what's important to understand is that considering the fact that most of the senior police officials are being questioned, will be questioned, which is the NIA's DG, which is YC Modi. He is also in the city currently to investigate these officials. Riaz Qazi, who was a part of Sachin Waze's team in the CIU unit, is also being questioned for the third day in a row at the NIA office. Now, here various questions have cropped up about the involvement.
Various questions have cropped up about the involvement of Sachin Waze and his team, which is why the NIA is questioning on this matter. But this has led to a major political meetings, political development because of Sachin Waze's arrest. And yesterday, while after the meeting, though, Jayant Patil had said that the meeting held did not involve the discussion around Sachin Waze's involvement or anything like that. But on the other hand, what we've seen is right now our sources have also mentioned that Rajneesh Seth is also meeting the Home Minister. In that case, now what we've seen is while there's been no clarity on the part of the government, the Maharashtra government, about why these meetings are being held, but there have been major developments happening across the city in this particular case, which is why, like we see, while NIA is working on their part, ATS is also investigating on this matter. But the entire Antila bomb scare case has reached a different slugfest.
Right.
This all started last week when Devendra Fadnavis mentioned that there can be a political involvement in this matter, which is why now we've seen a backlash because of that. And right now, we'll wait for an update from the government as to what these meetings are all about. But now as of now, it's being speculated that these meetings could be in the backdrop of Sachin Waze's suspension, because he's still being questioned by the NIA and he's under the NIA custody until March 25th. It was also said by the NIA sources that several names have been revealed by him, which include certain police officials, which is why they would also be questioned at the NIA office, and which is why we see IG level officers entering the NIA Mumbai office this morning. Apart from that, the DG of NIA, that is YC Modi, is also in Mumbai to evaluate this case. Over to you.
In fact, Yesha, even yesterday we saw as to how the NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar had also called for a party meeting with its ministers. And amid the ongoing turmoil that we are witnessing, the BJP has also come out attacking the MVA. Take us through the meeting that have happened since yesterday. But thank you so much, Yesha, for getting us all those latest updates. At this point, we do know that there are back-to-back meetings that are underway in Mumbai following the controversial cop Sachin Waze's arrest.